server. We just finished it. That's a little bit of a glare there. Everything but the CPU cooler here. Took us about 3 hours to wire this. I had to start over a few times here, but
you hit it at an angle, actually. It doesn't come out too bad.
Looks like a slight, mess over here, but everything's set. It can be accessed fairly easy. I'm not going to pull it out now, but alright. So yes, that's where we're at now. Just wanted to show everybody the server here. Here's the YouTube with everybody.
Wait, you both have mohawks.
Who? Does Mike have
You
a
and
mohawk?
Vader, yeah, I swear, it looks like it.
Okay. Anyway, that's the server.